everyone, today we're going to be taking a look at the OM Systems OM-3, which is a really cool retro-styled new mirrorless camera. We're also going to be unboxing the M-Zwico digital 25mm f1.8 Mark II. And yeah, let's get it out of the box and go take some photos. And there it is. Isn't that a beautiful retro style camera? Very slim and compact. Flip out screen. Hey, Bubba Link. Hey, kitty cat. Unlike some retro-styled cameras I've used, this does not have like shutter speed and ISO marked actually on the dials. But so I suppose that is just on the adjust what's on the screen. Digital viewfinder, standard button layout on the back, micro Four Thirds sensor, single SD card slot. The whole thing feels fairly nicely built. Oh, on the front we have another dial here for marked by color, mono, art, and CRT. So I assume those are like possibly film style settings. I haven't actually read the documentation for the camera as of this filming, so these are just my first impressions here. Okay, so very cool little camera, very compact and portable, and nicely made. Let's take a quick look at the lens which OM Systems sent along. Now this is a 25mm f1.8, which should be, I think, 50mm equivalent focal length on a micro Four Thirds camera like this. And we can see it's a very compact little lens. That is one of the big advantages of micro Four Thirds, is just how compact everything is. So that's your little 50mm equivalent bright prime lens, and this will go really nicely with this camera. In fact, let's put it all together right now. Plastic lens hood. There we have it. Now that feels like a really nice solid little camera here. Really nice all-in-one setup. Nice standard 50mm focal length lens equivalent. And yeah, I feel like it'll be really nice to shoot with. This is something that won't add too much bulk, and you can easily carry around with you, unlike a larger full-frame camera. So, without further ado, let's take it out on the field, see what it does. So while I've only had a day to test out the OM Systems OM-3 and the excellent Mzuiko Digital 25mm f1.8 Mark II lens, this is a really excellent little setup here, and I've been getting some great pictures with it. So, my initial impressions of this camera are that it's a lot of fun to use, really cool looking, and I think it takes awesome pictures. So, anyway, stay tuned for my full review, and I'll see y'all again next time. Bye!